Tip number 4, booking work. That's what we all want, isn't it? Some things that have really helped me get jobs is knowing what things that I really enjoy and looking out for those kind of jobs. And depending on what the job is, you have to make your application specific. So if they're looking for a businesswoman, for example, and you've got a photo that looks quite businesslike and serious, submit that. And maybe make sure that you submit a show reel that's relevant. If you're looking for a commercial, if you're applying for a commercial, submit your commercial reel rather than your acting reel. So try and make your application specific to what they're looking for. Know your casting type and your playing age, that's really important as well. Have a really, really good cover letter, and don't just use the same cover letter all the time. Try and tweak it to what you think they might like and what you think they want from the job. Personally, I apply for an awful lot of jobs, and probably out of every 10 I apply for, I only get 1. So be consistent, don't give up, keep applying for things. And don't be discouraged if, number 1, you might not hear back on your tape. It's not because it's been a bad tape, it's because they get so many applications and they have so many tapes to look at. And secondly, if you don't get the job, it's not because you're not talented. It's usually because they're looking for someone with brown hair rather than blonde, or someone a bit taller, or someone with ginger hair. It's something really simple like that. So don't be discouraged, keep on going, you will get jobs.